Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today, let's taste the Rainbow Noodles. The ingredient Rainbow Noodles is from Jack&King. There are 3 flavors of Rainbow Noodles: spinach, pumpkin, purple sweet potato. These 3 flavors correspond to these different colors. Looks very nice. Let's taste it! After the pot is boiled, add an appropriate amount of noodles. Open the lid and cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, our noodles are cooked. Let's try the Spanish noodle first. The noodles are very delicious and smooth, and because the noodles contain Spanish powder, so I can feel the taste of Spanish in mouth. Then, let's try purple sweet potato noodles. The noodles are also very tasty. And you can see the noodles are not sticky at all. There is also a faint taste of purple sweet potato in mouth. Finally, try the pumpkin noodles. The taste of pumpkin noodles is also very good, very delicious. And you can see the noodles are distinct, attracting, and tasty. Let's try it. After tasting it, we can see that this rainbow noodles from Jack&King is definitely delicious. Different flavors add different vegetable powder, so it is rich in dietary fiber and nutritious. It is a very good, hop stable food. Everyone, hurry up and try it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Jack&King, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.